Hello everyone, my name is Slim Jaluli and I'm Principal Application Engineer for the IoT and Cloud Application team at ST Microelectronics. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can easily use the MicroPython example provided with the iCube ExpressLink and connect STM32 to AWS IoT Core. For this video, you will need the Nucleo WB55RG board and an ExpressLink. The example was tested with the Wi-Fi module. Also, you need STM32 Cube Programmer to flash the MicroPython firmware to STM32. Also at this point, the ExpressLink module should not be mounted on the board. So if you have the ExpressLink module mounted on the board, please remove it. Also, we assume that your ExpressLink module is already registered with AWS IoT Core. If not, please take a look at the links in the description and make sure to follow along prior to following this video. I'll start by opening the MicroPython project. From the README file, select section 3.4, copy this link, and paste it in the Windows search bar. Locate the MicroPython folder, double-click, and then open the README. Then click on this link to download the firmware dedicated for the Nucleo board. Also, you can visit the micropython.org website for more updated firmware. Now I have the firmware downloaded on my computer. I need to open STM32 Cube Programmer and flash it to my device. So on the search bar, type STM32 Cube Programmer. So I have it here and click to open. Now you should connect your Nucleo board to the PC using the ST-Link USB port. The Nucleo WB55RG is equipped with two USB ports. You should be using the one that is the right side of the board. Then click Connect. Now we need to open the file that we have downloaded. Click Open File and navigate where you have downloaded the binary file. For me, it will be the download directory. Select the download directory, select the file, then click Open. Next, click Download button to download the firmware to the board. The file now is downloaded and verified by STM32 Cube Programmer. Click OK, then click Disconnect. Now you don't need STM32 Cube Programmer anymore, so you can go ahead and close it. Now the MicroPython firmware is loaded to our board. Please disconnect the Nucleo board from the USB cable, and we need to connect the board to the USB device that is related to the STM32 instead of the ST-Link's USB port, and change the board's power source. First, disconnect the USB port from your board, and then change the power jumper as shown in the image, this one. So originally the power jumper is in this location, so we need to remove it and put it to this location. Now connect the ExpressLink module to the board, and now connect the USB cable to the STM32's USB port. It's the one that is under the reset button as shown in the image. So this is the USB port. The Nucleo board should come up as a flash drive and enumerate as a virtual COM port. You can open a serial terminal and connect to the board. Go Setup, serial port, and connect to the board with the following parameters. Right. Okay. I'll put this one here. Okay. Then go back to the MicroPython project. In the MicroPython project, double-click on the main.py, open it in a text editor, and set your SSID, your password, and your AWS endpoint. And then close the file. Now select the main.py and AWS IoT ExpressLink.py, copy them and paste them to the POIB flash. Then disconnect and connect your board. And now you can see that the board restarted and start executing the code. Okay, now we can see our board is connected and started sending MQTT messages to AWS IoT Core. Now we reached the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful and thank you for watching.